The Stop Snoring Now shop, your compass to your best night's sleep ever. When our nose is blocked due to the weekend nostrils, the nasal cycle, allergy, of natural aging, in our sleep automatically we will turn on our back and we will breathe with an open mouth. In this position on the back and with an open mouth, the tongue is not in place and will descend in the windpipe, resulting in snoring and sleep apnea in the back of the throat, as air must be pressed between the windpipe and the soft tissue. Sleeping on the side while breathing through the nose is the most healthy way to avoid snoring and sleep apnea. The Stop Snoring Now shop brings you the latest, healthiest products on the market today. International distribution includes Breathe Right, Nasivent, Belisure, Cynol, Cyclane, Topaz, Oxio, Vital Health Products, SLP, Nasochrome. The Stop Snoring Now shop. Breathe better, sleep better.